Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. In this episode we have a new installation for the 2021 Toyota RAV4, but this is comparable for any 2019 to 2021 Toyota RAV4. You guys know for the brake light, it's only one little LED that light up when you press on the brake. With this kit, you're gonna be able to press on the brake and illuminate the whole back of the RAV4. Let me show you. As you guys know, when you press on the brake, only this part light up. With this kit, you're gonna be able to see the whole back of the tail light all the way here. So that's what we're gonna do. It's a really easy installation. Once you press the brake, everything's gonna light up with this kit. To get this installation done, we need to remove the whole back of the RAV4. We need to remove that one first, then those right here, and then all this part. You have to remove this cover, get to the two bolts in here, remove those two bolts on both sides, and drop the whole cover. After that, we need to go to this clip, remove that clip, pull on this cover so you can do some more connections in there. Same on this side. I don't need to show you all this part because it's the same as when we did the system, the liftgate system. We removed the whole cover, so I don't need to show you that. I'm gonna put that episode right here so you can go and see that one for the removal of these panels. Once we get there, I'm gonna show you what you need to disconnect and plug into the system, and then we're gonna move to this part. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to explain you this the easiest way. This is the cable. On the video, they have a video on when you purchase this kit, Cartridge Home, on their page. They have a video and the cables are different in there. This kit doesn't have instructions. If you refer to that video, they have only one connection in here. It's this one. Unplug this one and connect your wire. This wire connects in there. You unplug it. That's the original plug. You plug your wire to that one, and it's the one that it has the little connector in here. Connect that one to the small cable and go to one side, and on one side you're gonna disconnect the one in the middle. That's the brake light, that's the reverse light. Disconnect the one in the middle and make the connection from the other connector. That connector connects in there, and this is the one that it was connected in there. Do your connection in here, and the wire that is coming out on this side is the one that goes right there. So in this part you have to connect the wire that it has the white cable coming out, and this cable with the two cables is gonna go, one is gonna go to that side, the other one is gonna go to this side, and do the same thing on this side. Disconnect the one in the middle, that's the brake light, that's the reverse light. The one in the middle, unplug that one and connect your wire provided by Cartridge Home. Same thing like on the other side. And then this wire that is coming out connects to the other end. So that's the only connection that you need to do on this side. You're gonna move to the back. Like I said, remove this clip, and inside you're gonna see the cable that you need to remove. That plug that is coming out of there, you have the light in there. Next to it, you're gonna see that plug. Unplug that one, and it's this one right here. That end connects over there, and do the same on the other side. On the driver's side, you can see that cable right there where my finger is. That's the one that you need to disconnect. Okay, the cable should look like that. Connection is done and the system is complete. Okay guys, tell me what you think about this installation. Link is gonna be in the description for this kit, and shout out to Cartering Home for the support.